eyes and have a good time and make trouble along the way. Always lost converse, cause he's messing with girls, conversating with and lose his game. He put a hell of a show and I think I should know, cause that SOB is me. When I'm dead and gone, dance upon my grave, set the spirit free and think of me with that smile upon my face. Party all night long, raise hell in my place. Remember me, this is my legacy. When I'm dead and gone. I've been lied to, told lies to, rose-tinted glasses discolored. We're only here for a short while, so let the good times outweigh the others. Cause time waits for no one. When I die and go, dance upon my grave, set the spirit free and think of me with that smile upon my face. Night and night long, there's hell in my place. Remember me, this is my legacy. When I'm dead and gone, I'm dead and gone. Upon my grave, set the spirit free and think of me with that smile upon my face. Party all night long, there's hell in my place. Remember me, this is my legacy. When I'm 6 foot deep and dead and gone, yeah. Dead and gone. Thank you very much. It's good to finally be here. We've been waiting for this for a very long time. This one's about our little hometown in Malvern. We hope you enjoy it. This one's called The Hills. So take me to the hills, to watch the sunset fall behind. It's better than the pills, the bitter swallow every time. Yeah. Every now and then I need to get away from the steady grind. My trip down, mind a little change of pace. So take my hand, I'll show you where I go. For a little food for thoughts to come to you on. But this place I'm on. Every time I leave, I try to face this world alone. This is part of me, it takes me straight back home. Take it to the hills, to watch that sunset fall behind. It's better than the pills, the bitter swallow every time. Saying about the things I know, what it is you think I'm running from. It's about the place where I can breathe. So take me to the hill. Do you ever feel the need to just run away? Like you've lost your mind, just need more time, a place to escape. Come on, I'll take me where I go. It's like a legal high, makes you feel alive. me to the hills. Mama, take me to the hills. Thank you. This is excellent. If we can ask of anything from you guys right now, if you don't already follow us, please give us a search on the social medias. Get us on Facebook and Instagram. Your support will be huge for us. We really appreciate it. We are Woodburnt Red. Yeah, should have remembered that bit. This one's a brand new one of ours. It's called The Other Side. With a pillow next to mine, haven't been used in a while. In the bed sheets where you lay, still feel cold and night. The pain still remains since the day you threw it all away. What happens if you climb that mountain, but the view ain't what you made? Or if you sail that ocean, but your vessel starts to sink? What happens if you take those memories and erase them like wasted time? The grass ain't always greener on the other side. I still lose my grip when I see something that takes me back. And the thought that you're doing alright kinda drives me mad. But I know deep down inside your heart still hurts as much as mine. What happens if you climb that mountain? Oh, but the view ain't what you think. If you sail that ocean, but your vessel starts to sink. What happens if you take those memories and erase them like wasted time? The grass ain't always greener on the other side. Oh yeah, when you made your bed, so lie down. You're not as weak as you may think. You made your choice to walk out, so I'm making the choice to breathe. Away from all this mess you've left behind at the door. But I'm not hanging on anymore. What happens if you climb that mountain, but the view ain't what you think? If you sail that ocean, but your vessel starts to sink. And if you take those memories and erase them like wasted time, the grass ain't always greener on the Thank you very much. Can't believe we're already this far into the set. We've been waiting for this for so long. If you're like us, if you like the outside, you like a bit of barbecue, you like getting lost on the back road, then you're probably rednecks just like us. This one's called Redneck. Something's changed in the way I feel lately. This is shooting round race life just ain't right. I need to embrace this feeling inside me. It's a feeling I've been holding most of my life. This checkered shirt, these denim jeans, they feel much better than the other things. When I put those brown boots on, I feel like I could fly. And I'm just a redneck tramping this body of an English boy. Have I finally found something that makes me feel free, that I can believe I'm a redneck tramping this body of an English boy. And I won't let anyone take that away from me. I've been changing the way I live my life for me. I ain't gonna compromise not one ounce. I'm pretty sure that the neighbors think I've gone crazy. Oh, but I'm happy as hell, and that's all that counts. I might sell my house for what it suits me warm. I'll move on wheels with a 4x4. Take off down these country roads, live that free bird life. And I just redneck tramping this body of an English boy. Have I finally found something that makes me feel free, that I can believe it? I'm a redneck tramping this body of an English boy. And I won't let anyone take that away. I trade this suit and tie for a bucket of boots. Rockin' city life for the one I choose. Gonna live my life like it's all I've got. 'Cause I'm just a redneck, carefree, country-loving English boy. And I finally found something that makes me feel free, that I can't believe that I'm a redneck tramping this body of an English boy. And I won't let anyone take that away from me. Oh, baby, I feel alright. I'm just too fine. Thank you. This next one we're about to play for you, it's an important song to us. We're family men, we don't get a lot of time to do this part, and when we do, we make sure it counts. This is our next single, it's coming out on the 7th of July. You guys heard it here first. This one's called Day Drinking. What? Because these are the days that I really been waiting for. a quick shower and shave my best clothes, and I'm out the door. So I eagerly wait to be dropped off. We're going there, drinking, we're going back all afternoon. Just me and the boys in the smokehouse bar, where a clever conversation didn't get us far. I know what you're thinking, you can join us if you wanted to. Cause all you need is a seat by me, a steady hand and a little immaturity and love for day drinking. We're in file forming in full swing like Neanderthals with the beer in the wings. Guess my folks would be proud if they could see the state that I've become. Damn it, it's tough being straight-laced all year round. So on days like these, I do the idiots proud and talk before thinking of chug without drinking them down. It's a sensible brain cells begin to fade. Cause we're going there drinking, we're throwing back all afternoon. Just me and the boys in the smokehouse bar, where a clever conversation won't get too far. I know what you're thinking, join us if you wanted to. Cause all you need is to see by me, a steady hand and a little immaturity and a love for day drinking. Cause there's one shot, two beers, three drinks more, a couple bummer coats will let the anger pour. And we're dancing around to our favorite song. As the song comes up, it's time to go. Yeah. We want you guys to make this your summer anthem, please, if that's not too much to ask. Does anybody want some free merch? Well, you're going to have to come a little bit closer then. So I'm going to throw this out to the person that can sing along the loudest, all right? If I miss you, I apologise. I'm a terrible shot. The lyrics are: we're going day drinking, we'll throw them back all afternoon. All right? I'll be watching. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Cause we're going day drinking, we'll throw them back all afternoon. Just me and the boys at Buckingham Boots Bar, where a clever conversation didn't get us far. I know what you're thinking, you can join us if you wanted to. Cause all you need is a seat by me, a steady hand and a little immaturity and love for day drinking. We love day drinking. Oh, you love day drinking. We love day drinking.
Oh, sorry.
Tried to take out the photographer. Did you get the shot? So right there, I just threw out our brand new EP, which is only out this weekend currently. So you can get your hands on it down at the merch table, down in the bar. We'll be there afterwards. So please, if you want a copy, come and get it. We'll have a chat with you. We'll have a beer with you, and we'll get a drink on. This one is, this was our debut single. It was part of the Buckingham Boots playlist. We were stoked when this came out. Somehow, within the first couple of months, it went to 120,000 streams. It's just been absolutely nuts. This one's called All I Need Is You, and we'd like to dedicate this to our wives and our management team. routine. Forget all the breakups and breakdowns and all the baggage from when we were kids. It's time for something new. We're in summertime all year long. So where the kids can play and the dogs can run, feel free without getting lost. So what do you say? Time for a change. So let's light these eyes and leave this town. Drive on up and leave right now. There's nothing left for us round here but the same old bars with the same old things. Time to leave that you and I just a little more until it's getting by. So why do you say it's so when you ain't got time? All I need is you. It's time for a shake. Time for a new routine. Forget all this big talk from a small town. Chase a dream we've had since we were kids. So what do you say? Time for a change. So let's ignite these signs and leave this town. Drive on over right now. There's nothing left for us round here. The same old bars on the same old beat. Time to leave the two and I. Till it's getting by. So why do you say it's so in you? I ain't got time. All I need is you. Only got you. So let's align these times and burn this town. I ain't got time for messing around. There's nothing left for us round here but the same damn bars with the same damn bitch. Time to leave the two and I for a little more just getting by. So what do you say to somewhere new? I ain't got time. All I need is you. The bucket of boots. You know we got this. Thank you very much. We've got two left for you. Ian, can I just get a bit more vocal on that one, excuse me? We got a feeling you guys might enjoy this one. It's a little bit more upbeat. It's a little bit rockier. This one's written about me, because I'm 18 stone and I'm 6'4". This is the last song. Okay, we got one more song. Okay, sorry guys. This is our last song. We gotta get on with it. This one's called 18 Stone. 6'4", 18 stone. Uncle Bob, get to know each other, what's and all. Just you and I will spend a little time and navigate those bedroom walls. But right before we do, I wanna know a little more about you. Like where'd you grow up? What fills your cup? What kind of movies are you into? That's for me. Well, I ain't ever gonna change, so take me as I am. 6'4", 18 stone, born and soul the blues and rock and roll. In the middle of nowhere's where I go. So take me as I am. I might say the wrong thing at the wrong time. Drink a little bit much on a Friday night, but I'll always put your hand in mine. So take me as I am. Things about me, I'm real easy to please. I keep my problems small, but my beer's tall and my feet below my knees. I love me an afternoon nap. I don't really see a problem with that. So if you're not on board, then there's the door and take your clothes off the welcome mat. And like I said, I ain't ever gonna change, so take me as I am. 6'4", 18 stone, born to soul and blues and rock and roll. In the middle of nowhere's where I belong. So take me as I am. I might say the wrong thing at the wrong time. Drink a little bit much on a Friday night, but I'll always put your hand in mine. So take me as I am. Take me as I am. Alright. So take me as I am. 6'4", 18 stone, born to soul and blues and rock and roll. In the middle of nowhere's where I belong. Take me as I am. I'm not saying the wrong thing at the wrong time. Drink a little bit much on a Friday night, but I always put your hand in mine. So take me as I am. I always put your hand in mine. So take me as I am. Thank you very much. We've been Woodburn Red. Thank you, Buckingham Beach, for having us. Thank you, Imagine, for all your hard work with us. We'll see you guys again real soon. We'll be down at the merch tent. Come and have a beer.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you rock out the paddock stage for 2023. Woodburn Red. We look forward to seeing you all again in 2024. Thank you and good night.